your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi, welcome everybody. Well, it's about that time again. Mail call day today, right now. Are you ready? Well, let's open it up and see what's in there. Maybe $1 million. I wish. Here we go. Well, here are a couple of pens that I ordered. I actually ordered 3, and I got 2 of them in. Hopefully the other one will be here next week, because these 2 were the ones that I ordered after I ordered the first one. So that's weird. So I will fill you in about these pens when I do my review. They're a neat looking color. I like this color right here. So, you have any idea what kind of pens these are? Let me know in the comments below. Folks, that's going to wrap it up on Mail Call today. Larry Baronis here in Fort Worth, Texas. Thanks for joining me today on Mail Call. Be safe, follow the rules, wash your hands, wear the mask. A lot of peace, a lot of love, and as always, please stay off your phone and don't text and drive. And please, don't be a moron.